we're gonna grind these little pieces of metal first, so you gotta wear some safety glasses. Gotta clean the metal up before we can weld it.
Oh.
So the welds come out super good. Ready? No.
Well,
Ear protection's on because it'll get kind of loud when I'm sanding and grinding, okay? Because I don't want it to be too loud for you. Is that okay? Okay.
is it done?
Yep, we're all sanded. All right, you ready to try doing some welding stuff?
Yes, I am.
Right.
But first I need my helmet.
This is called the grounding clamp. And you want to attach it to the piece of metal that you're going to be welding on, like that. This is the on switch for the welding machine. And then this is called your stinger. When you're ready to weld, you pull the trigger and it makes the wire come out and the electricity happen. You're going to watch real close and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing, okay? You ready?
Right.
See? You lift your helmet up. See? Now don't touch this because this is super, super, super hot. It actually melted the metal. It was so hot.
Ooh.
Yeah, isn't that cool? You ready to watch it again? Yeah. Come closer. A little bit more. 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 There we go. Okay. You ready? Yeah, it kind of looks like a puddle, huh? Like a wet puddle or something, huh? Ooh.
Right.
Huh.
When it's like when you're like welding, why does it when you're like pushing the trigger when it's time to weld, then why does it like come dark and then make sparks come dark?
Oh, so our helmets, they get dark all by themselves. And you know what it does? It sees how bright the welding is, because the welding is super, super bright. If you're not wearing a welding helmet, don't ever look at a welding arc like that, okay? But your helmet goes dark automatically. It senses how bright it is, and it makes your helmet turn super, super dark. So all you see is what you're doing with your welding. And then when you stop welding, it turns bright again so that you can see everything. Isn't that neat? You want to try it? It's okay. I'll be right here with you, okay? Don't worry. I'll hold it with you. Do you want to pull the trigger? Okay, you ready? Whoa, look. That's a good one. You want to try it again? Ready? Whoa, good one. You want to do one more? All the way to the end? Cool, let's do it. Can we see the end of the metal?
Whoa.
Whoa, that's a long one. You want to do some more? Because we got the whole other side if you want to. The other side? Can you hold it?
I won't hold it.
All right, we're gonna start on this side and go this way, okay? We did it.
We did it. We went like there.
Was that all awesome?
Yeah.
High five, dude. Nice. Whatever you weld on is super duper duper hot, so you don't ever want to touch stuff that has been just welded without gloves on, okay? But if you want to cool the weld off quickly, you just pour a little water on it. frying pan.
Yeah, I did. Oh. When I grow up into grown up, then I'll show my kids how to cool off.
Yeah, that's a great idea. High five. Boom.